Looking for a new entry door that's both secure and stylish, but not sure which ProVia door is right for your home? Do you go with the strength of steel, the look of real wood, or something in between? In this video, we're breaking down 3 of the main entry door options for ProVia: Signet, Ascent, and Legacy, so you can see how they compare in design, performance, and price. By the end, you'll know exactly which door fits your style, your security needs, and your budget without all the guesswork. Hi, I'm Chris with Hoel Roofing Remodeling. Today we wanted to make a short video just to kind of go over some of your options that you're going to have if you're choosing a ProVia door for your entry door. So I'd like to start off with Signet. So that's going to be probably the most budget-friendly option that ProVia is going to offer. It's premium fiberglass with real wood grain finishes on them. It's a highly customizable door, and it's best for homeowners that are looking for that authentic wood finish. The Ascent series is the newest line for ProVia doors. It's also a fiberglass door, but it mixes in the modern with the affordability. It's a great option for a mid-range entry door. It has streamlined options, clean lines, and it comes with the quality of ProVia. Something that really sets the Legacy series door apart is that it's actually made out of steel, so it's great for homeowners who have security at the forefront. It also offers a modern and sleek appeal to it, so a lot of homeowners love it for that as well. So how do these doors compare on energy efficiency, customization, and warranty? All of these doors are Energy Star rated. All of these doors are going to come in 33 different color options, so you have a wide variety there to make a choice. Signet offers probably the most flexibility for customization to where the homeowner can really make the perfect door for themselves, while Legacy really succeeds in offering strength and security for the homeowner, and Ascent kind of offers a balance between those two. So which one of these ProVia doors is going to be right for you? So if you're looking for strength and security, I would say Legacy is going to be your best option there. If you're looking for beauty or style, Signet is going to be the one that you should choose. And then if you're looking for a modern style, but with great value, Ascent's going to be the best option for you. Whether you're replacing an old door or designing your dream entryway, ProVia has options that will fit your needs and that will fit your home perfectly. If you want to explore these options in more detail, feel free to click the link down in the description or give us a call at 765-561-4023. We're here to help you compare these models and find the best one that suits your home.